register at the ISI website. You have to click on registration, fill in your name, full name, your email address, and the password. So the password has a few restrictions. It has to contain a capital letter, a small letter, a number, and a special character. You agree to their terms and then you register. Once you have registered, you will get an email from ISI. So you go check your inbox. In your inbox, you should have gotten an email. Click on verify email address and it will take you back to the login page. Over here, you fill in the password and email that you had created your ID with and click on login. Once you are here, you have to start filling the form. So you begin by filling in your personal information. So you give your mobile number, then your date of birth, gender, if you fall under any special category, for most people it's general, your address, your full address, PIN code, state, and then what kind of ID will you be showing this. Now remember, the ID that you pick, that's the ID that you will have to show when you go to give the exam. So please pick an ID that you can carry with you to the center and enter your 12-digit ID number. You have to fill in the program information. So we'll be showing you how to apply for the MSQ course, which is a master's program in quantitative economics. And you have to give your location preference, which is Delhi or Kolkata, as per your choice. Then they ask you for your preference in the examination center. So as per your wishes, you can fill in which centers you would like to go to give the exam. Then is your academic records. So you can fill in all your current bachelor's degree. The major subject is the subject that you have studied in your bachelor's. So you don't have to fill in all the subjects that you've studied, but you should includes, like if you are a BTech student, so you would fill in engineering, or if you are a BA student, you would fill in the specialization that you have. So you don't have to give a list of all your subjects, just the one major subject that you have studied, and then you can fill in if your results have been declared or not. Now this is the tricky part where it comes to your photo. So they need a photo of yourself as well as a signature, but in them they have a certain requirements. So the image has to be of a 35 mm width and 45 mm height, and between 10 and 300 kb. So how you can do this is you just have to simply Google how to resize an image in mm and kb. You click on the first link that is there. You select the unit mm. You put in the requirements as per their guidelines. So for the photo that is required, the height is 45 mm and the width is 35 mm. So that is what I have put in here, with 35, height 45, and click on apply. Then you upload the image. And you download it. The same thing with the signature. So for the signature, the requirement is 90 mm width and 30 mm height. So with 90, height 30. And it's downloaded.